Sunday morning, man, she woke up fine mad, cussing and moaning on and on about the time I had. Then by Tuesday, you could say that girl was good as gone. Then when Thursday came around, I was all alone. So I went for a drive to clear my mind, ended up at a shell on I-65. Then I won $100 on a scratch-off ticket, bought 2 12-packs and a tank of gas with it. She swore they were a waste of time, all but she was wrong. And I was calling number 5 on a radio station, on a 4-day vacation, deep sea senorita fishing down in Panama. And I gotta see my ex-future mother-in-law. Oh Lord, when it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. When it rains, it pours.
I couldn't tell if you blocked me or not. I couldn't see.
I know I tricked you.
I'll be damned if you're gonna block me.
I wanted to turn around in the very beginning, but I knew he was gonna do it. And I was like, do I need my block? Do I need my block? And then I didn't use my block, and I got him.
You didn't use it.
You didn't use it? I didn't use
Bull
it.
crap. Yes, you did.
I
yes,
didn't.
you did.
Ask the producers.
Tell us your name and where you're from, my friend.
My name is Jake Hoot, and I'm from Cookeville, Tennessee.
Yeah.
All right, Jake. Welcome to the show. You're on Team Kelly, and that's very exciting.
I know
I'm shaking.
you probably
Thank you.
wanted Blake, but this is a better home, I promise.
Thank you so much.
You sound like Ronnie Dunn. I'm so sorry, I keep interjecting. I'm so excited.
He's incredible. Thank you very much.
Go ahead, John.
I thought it was a great performance, Joe. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, Jake. What I loved about the performance was just the entrance. It was so like electric and loud and powerful. And now that I see you're gigantic, it makes more sense. I was like, wow, that is a very strong voice. And
How tall are you?
I am 6'6".
Dang.
Maybe an inch taller than Blake.
Damn it, I wanted to be the tallest.
Dude, I love country music. I cannot wait for you to be on my team and us to work together.
Thank you so
stellar.
much. Thank you. Thank you.
She does love country music. She just doesn't know anything about it.
Oh
But
my
I know
gosh,
you're going to be able to
son.
teach her because I can tell that you're the real deal.
Thank you very much.
I know you used your block button.
I didn't. I still have my block button and I get him.
Doesn't matter. Congratulations,
It's
buddy.
awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jake.
Thank you so
Welcome to The
much.
Voice.
Daddy. We have team jackets. I'll get you a taller one.
I'm gonna need a big one.